Sisters, I stand here tonight as one of the first people that our brother, first when he was starting, he approached me and he told me what he was about to do. And at that time, I was telling him, you know, this is too big of a project for all of us, and I don't think that is doable. So I have I have to start with an apology that I was pessimistic at that moment. And one child after the other, in few months, we've seen a big result that our brother has been able to achieve. And the first people that answered the call, and a few years down the road, we lost our mother, my mother-in-law, and we took two of the children. And the great thing about Almustaqiim Foundation is that it is ahead of most of organizations. There are many organizations that also do a lot of good work, but for them, you can have the child's name, the child's video, you can contact the child. When it is Eid time, you can send an Eid gift to that child, and whenever there is a fundraising or Eid time, you can also participate. So I encourage everyone to do everything they can. Every little thing helps. $360 is not even $1 a day. The year is 365 days. So inshallah, let us do the best we can, and also you can contact your friends, your families. Even if they're not willing to hear the whole story, don't give up. Keep going back. So I had, for example, one friend that I told him about the project one day, and he was so busy. And then another time, and now this time, when Abdul Hakim contacted me about this event, I invited him to come, so he couldn't come. So he messaged Abdul Hakim, and he promised to take care of 5 children. And that is really remarkable. And Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "Al-kayyisu man dana nafsahu wa amila lima ba'da al-maut, wal-ajizu man atba'a nafsahu hawaha wa tamanna 'ala Allahi al-amani." The intelligent person is the person that gets to work, that works towards the life after. This world is temporary. Whatever you have, you will be accountable for it in the hereafter. And Allah will ask us what we have done for orphans, for those that we had responsibility to help. So inshallah, whether you can do $10, $10,000, whether you can take one child, 2 children, it doesn't matter. Just get started, and inshallah you will see. There are some people that they continuously donate, and then whenever they feel financial hardship, Allah will open doors, because they open doors for others as well. So inshallah, I'm not eligible to be in front of you telling you anything, but this project works. It matters, it makes a difference for those of us that need it the most. Our country, as you know, we don't have a state or authority or politicians that talk about safety net. In this country, you'll see like sometimes there is a government shutdown because there is no enough compromise on social security or benefits for the poor. But our country, it's all about me, and only me, people who just want to stay in power, and those who want to take it from them. So the fight is not about helping children, it's not about helping orphans. So Somalia is a failed state, a war-torn country, that even children with parents and jobs are struggling. So can you imagine the mother that has a child whose father died, and not only she has to worry about a father figure, but she has to worry about feeding that child. So inshallah ta'ala, You're not only here to donate, but you're here to get more donors involved. Jazakumullahu khair. Wabillahi tawfiq.